no stopping us. Fly without boarding pass. Couldn't catch me, I'll be moving fast. Call me a shooting star. Let 'em know who you are. Flying up in a bar. Wish on a star. Time to show 'em who's in charge. Call me a shooting star.
Didn't even get to bronze.
I said I'm moving too far. Get to bronze. Looking at a shooting star. Got more than a couple of people going mad. I swear they're rooting hard. Tell them I'd be big in the game like she went and got them breast implants. I said I'm moving too fast, didn't even get to glance. I'm ready to eat up track like I'm seated in a restaurant. If you had swag like mine, you know it's best to flaunt.
We will produce a mining dump truck that will carry a minimum of 450 tons of mined rock.
An entirely new class of mining dump trucks, developed by Belaz.
Maneuverability, original rotational kinematics,
New solutions, solutions in power drive, solutions in steering gear, solutions in the load-carrying frame.
2 diesel generators, 4-wheel electric motors, 8 tires, 4,600 horsepower.
When the truck carries the load, it has 2 engines working. When the truck rides to get a load, only 1 engine is running. This means that we save on fuel.
The truck can drive on the same roads as a 360-ton truck. It fits into the same dimensions of the repair bay. Any driver who has the license to drive mining dump trucks may drive the 450-ton truck. The algorithm of the driving is exactly the same.
Today, these trucks are already assembled at new production sites, specially built by Belaz.
In 2012, in Las Vegas, the creation of a 450-ton capacity truck was announced. Few believed. The year has passed, and here it is.
Overcoming slopes up to 18%, all-wheel drive. A maximum speed of 64 kilometers per hour. Design capacity is 25% higher than all existing mining dump trucks of the highest capacity.
This truck will make a great claim about itself.
Belaz 75710.